Hi, I'm John Darling with Frontier Roofing Systems. Today we want to go over fire safety, dealing with fire extinguishers here. So, always need a fire extinguisher on your roof whenever you're welding. So all TPO roofs, PVC roofs, must have a fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher will be kept in your gang box overnight, but at the beginning of every day this should be pulled out and set beside your gang box. That way everybody knows where it's at. So a fire can start in multiple reasons. A walking welder gets really hot. If for some reason it should be left in the membrane, that could cause it to burn and burn the insulation underneath. Obviously, if you're working with torch down or torch products, absolutely need a fire extinguisher because that can cause your membrane or your insulation to burn. And static on a roof can also cause a fire. Walking by a unit, metal, get a lot of static built up, and carrying a rag or something, it can spark, cause a fire. So, a lot of ways that fire can start. But you need to make sure that you have a good fire extinguisher. So we got two examples here. You got to look at your little dial up here. You'll see it says recharge, overcharged, and then there's a little sweet spot right down the middle that's green, and that's where you want to see your arrow. You got a little yellow arrow. So right here we got a good working one, should be tagged out. This one's been last checked October 2016, so a couple months ago. This one right here is pointing to recharge, which means it's no good to you. You see that it was last serviced June 2016 with the punch on it saying it needs to be recharged. So don't just grab any old fire extinguisher, do your due diligence and check. Make sure it's got your tab in there. Most of them will have the plastic tab saying it's never been used. This one's been recharged, so your truck should always have a fire extinguisher. If you're going out to do repairs, you should bring it, have it nearby, know where it is. But for sure on job sites, this will always be next to the gang box. Use it at your discretion. Whenever a fire starts, get it out as quickly as possible. So that's our fire safety. Thank you.